Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. Well, it has definitely been a hot summer everywhere in the U.S. And it's time to have something refreshing. And I want to share with you a cocktail that both Kim and I have been enjoying a lot this summer. It is cool, it's easy to make, it's refreshing, it's vibrant, it's tasty. It's also one of the most popular cocktails out there right now. So, join me as we make today's cocktail, the Hugo Spritz. Let's get pouring. Nice things about summer cocktails is you get to build them in the glass. So today we're going to use a wine goblet, and we're going to start by putting some mint leaves in there. So we've got some freshly picked mint, and we're going to put a sprig's worth in there, about 6 to 8, usually 6 to 8 mint leaves. And those are going to go in the bottom of the glass. And now what we're going to do is put some ice in the glass. We're using ice cubes. They're good sized ice cubes. The bigger the ice cube, the longer it lasts, the colder it's going to keep your drink. And being a hot summer day, you want to keep it cold. The next thing that we're going to do is, and we're kind of garnishing this glass since we built it in, and we're going to take some lime wheels and we're going to put those in the sides of the glass. And I'm putting 3 lime wheels in there. And now we're going to start pouring. Our first ingredient in there, and unlike most spritzes, they use a bitter liqueur. Well, this time we're using elderflower, so it's got a nice flower, citrus notes to it, so very, very refreshing on that hot summer day. And we are going to put in there 1.5 ounces. Next, we are going to take sparkling wine. As it's a spritz, we're going to use some Prosecco. And we're going to put a couple ounces of Prosecco in there. I've always noticed with Kim, the more Prosecco, the happier the drink. Just saying. Finally, we're going to top that off and we're going to use some club soda. And put a couple ounces of club soda in there. And all we have left to do is 1 more mint sprig and give it a good slap. That's going to release some of those oils, some of that mint smell, and there you go. Today's cocktail, the Hugo Spritz. Cheers, everyone. Oh yeah.